All right, today we're looking at something called Kitu Sawa. It's being presented as a complete operating system designed from the ground up for construction contractors in Kenya. So let me just ask you, does this sound familiar? Your business feels like it's just drowning in paperwork. You've got crucial data scattered everywhere, and it's all just chaotic. If you're nodding your head right now, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. You see, it almost always starts here, with scattered records. You've got invoices in this folder, receipts in that box. Project costs are just scribbled down in a bunch of different notebooks. There's no single source of truth, is there? And that chaos? Well, it leads directly to constant manual follow-ups. You're wasting so many hours just chasing your team for updates, hounding them for figures, and trying to piece together the financial puzzle of each and every project. Which means any kind of reporting you get is always late. You're trying to make these really important decisions about the future of your business, but you're using information that's already weeks, maybe even months out of date. It's a risky game to play. So what's the end result of all this? It's a serious lack of visibility. You honestly can't see which projects are making you money, where your cash is really going, or what the true financial health of your entire business even is. But what if you could finally change all that? What if you had one single system of control designed to centralize your entire workflow? Well, that's the whole idea behind Kitu Sawa. And let's be absolutely clear about this. This is not just another fancy spreadsheet. It's designed to be a complete operating system for your contracting business. So, how does it work? It's all built around a really simple 4-step workflow. You start by building a solid foundation. That leads to easy daily input. That data then powers automated controls. And finally, you get instant, clear reports. Let's break that down. First up is the foundation and setup. Getting this initial part right is absolutely crucial. You're building the solid base that everything else will run on. The real backbone of the system is in 2 key tabs, Settings_Kenya and the Chart of Accounts. Think of these as the rulebook and the structure for all of your financial data. And an important note here, these areas are locked down, and for a very good reason, to protect the integrity of your data so no one can mess it up by accident. So, once that foundation is set, you move into the daily workflow. This is all about making it effortless to capture every single detail as it happens. The hub for your daily operations is going to be the transactions log. This is where every cost, every payment, every single financial move gets logged. It all starts right here. At the same time, you're managing all of your projects from one central spot, the projects_register. This gives you that high-level overview and keeps you in complete control of your entire portfolio. And yeah, it covers all the other bases too. You've got dedicated, easy-to-use tabs for tracking everything from invoices to budgets in the BOQ budget sheet to your payroll and all your materials. And the best part, it's all connected. Okay, and now we get to the payoff. This is where all of that careful data entry gets transformed into powerful business intelligence. This is where your business comes into sharp, perfect focus. So without you doing any extra manual work, all that raw data you've been entering is automatically processed and turned into professional financial statements, like an income statement or a general ledger. And the ultimate command center for all of this? That's the construction dashboard. This is where you get that instant visual snapshot of exactly how your business is performing. So what does that look like in the real world? Well, with a chart like this, you can see in seconds which of your projects are the most profitable and which ones might be in trouble and need your attention. Or how about this, a project cost breakdown? At a glance, you know exactly where your money is going. Is it materials, labor, subcontractors? This kind of insight is just invaluable for controlling your costs today and for bidding much more accurately on your jobs tomorrow. So what does this all really mean for you? Well, it means you can build your business with a whole new level of confidence. That, right there, is the Kitu Sawa advantage. The system is really designed to deliver 4 key outcomes for your business: more speed in your operations, greater consistency in your data, better accountability across your whole team, and finally, real confidence in your decisions. To put it simply, it's a practical business system. It's for workflow control, for automation, for reporting, and for the decision support you need to actually thrive in a pretty competitive market. So the final question is this. After seeing how a system like this can turn chaos into clarity, are you ready to take decisive control of your projects and of your profitability? The choice is yours.